Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick bit of radio controlled news. NewBeeDrone have released some new batteries and they've also released a new battery connector spec compatible with pH 2.0 but actually offers a couple of additional benefits, and they're claiming some quite cool stuff for it. It's called the NX69 connector. Now inside the packet, if you take it apart, you will find that there are 4 of these NX69 connector batteries, 300 milliamp hours, 1S battery. We'll talk about the batteries themselves in a minute, but it's actually more the connector that I'm kind of interested in talking about. This new NX69 connector offers lower resistance, claimed higher stability and less voltage sag under load, and again is compatible with pH 2.0. How have they done that? Well, it's a flat layer design, so it gives you a much higher surface area, which ultimately reduces the amount of resistance inside. It's claimed to be about 18.9 milliohm internal resistance. That means that there is less voltage sag and the current can flow easier through the connector. Now, in addition to the connectors on the end, the batteries are quite cool as well. These little 1S packs have a laminated cell design, and again that's all around lowering the internal cell resistance, helping to stabilize the voltage when you're flying, and hopefully give you improved high load discharge efficiency when you're zooming around too. And this battery and this connector are really designed for indoor racers, things like freestyle 1S whoops, anything with a pH 2.0 connector. Although you can very easily, with a bit of soldering, quickly swap over your pH 2.0 for one of the new NX69 connectors that actually come as part of the pack. So I just thought I would share this with you. This is kind of interesting news. I've always thought that the pH 2.0 connectors were a little bit flimsy. I like the fact there's a little bit more meat inside the connector, and the metals that have been used in there are going to give you the best possible chance of getting all the power that's in the battery into the motors on your whoop as you zoom around. Links in the description down below. It's always fun to see people pushing and innovating in a way that's compatible with previous technology. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.